آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا صلى الله عليه وآله وصحبه وسلم وبعد. Hope from Allah, inshallah, you all will be in good condition and feeling well and in good health with the help of Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am again amongst you. So today's our topic will be about the second one, the second type of from Haft Aqsam, the Misal. Okay, Misal. Misal, it's easy. If you pronounce it with proper tajweed, uh, there will be no issue, inshallah. So let's go to our interactive board. So as you all know, we studied about Sahih, and now we are going in progress, Alhamdulillah, to Misal. Okay, Misal. Okay, it's Misal. First of all, whenever, wherever, in which field of study, if you do not know the dictionary definition of a word, so it is become so difficult to you that you can understand it easily. So likewise, we will also read the definition of the dictionary definition of these words, so it will be more easy for us, inshallah. Okay, so as we studied about Sahih, that the Sahih means the accurate. Okay, it was the dictionary definition. So here the Misal, what is the Misal? The Misal's dictionary definition or the dictionary translations are so many. So we will take some of them, like the Misal mean example, the Misal mean reflection, the Misal mean like. Okay, so which one is easy for you, you can write on your notebooks. Okay, so I am writing here only two or three. The main one is example. Okay, Misal mean example. Okay, so example is easy, and the other is reflection. Okay, reflection. Why is the meaning of the Misal they take the reflection? Because when you reflect yourself or a thing on a mirror, on a water, on other smooth surfaces, so they reflect your thing. Like the cameras reflect me. Okay, you also can see me as I am moving, as I am as my cloth color is. So the camera catches these all colors. Okay, it's the reflection. So the misal mean the reflection. It's dictionary word. Okay. So in English word, no, in surf word, we will write like misal is a word. Misal is a word in which fa kalima got. Okay, fa kalima. Fa kalima. We will write here fa kalima. Okay, fa kalima got any of huruf. Anyone from huruf ilm. It will be more easy, inshallah. Okay, any any one of any one of huruf حروف illat. Okay, any one of حروف illat except except for example, for example وشر وشر يسر يسر وشر. Okay, these two examples. Now let's to understand this definition. Okay, these all definition I am making for you people so easy with my previous teaching etc. So here I do not write any books definition. Okay, so it will be hard for you people and you cannot understand these definitions when I write here on this interactive board, so it will be more hard for you. Okay, so when I write some definition here, so it make sense easy for you, so inshallah you can memorize it. Okay, misal is a word in which, okay, in which fa got, in which word, okay, misal is a word in which fa got any one of huruf illat except alif. Okay, for example wasara yasara. Okay, then misal is of two type. I will explain it inshallah in this video. Okay, so here rise a question. Okay, so that we studied the huruf illat were waw, alif and ya. Okay, these three were the huruf illat. Only misal wawi and misal ya'i came. Okay, the harf illat waw and the harf illat ya came on the first letter of the wazan, like wasara wa, what were the washara. Okay, washara barwazni fa'ala fa'ala, and yasara were, okay, leave yasara, was washara barwazni fa'ala. So here this wow came amongst this fa. Okay, so we can call it misal. So it is misal. The question I will answer you inshallah, and also the yasara barwazni fa'ala, it will be also misal. Okay, so in easy word, misal is a word in which fa kalima got any ones of huruf ilat except alif. For example washara yasara. Okay, so the question that was rising, that why misal alifi does not come. Okay, because the in Arabic language there is no any kalima which start from sakin. Okay, so alif is sakin, alif is not hamza. Okay, if we give any harakat to alif, it will become the hamza. Okay, fatha, kasra, zamma, jazam, so it will become the hamza, it will not remain the alif. Okay, so therefore the misal wawi does not come. I will give the live example. For example, your name is Asad. Okay, Asad start from alif. Asad. So pronounce the Asad without giving any harakat. Cannot pronounce on. Okay. So likewise, I am saying that Asad is Hamza. If you do not give a fatha to Asad, okay, so it will become the alif. Like here, Asad. Okay, Asad. So it is Hamza, it is not Alif. If we remove the Fatha, the Fatha, so it will become the Alif, and Alif will be permanently, it has no any harakat, okay, Alif. So the we cannot pronounce this name Asad. We will say Sad, Sad. Okay, so you can look around you, inshallah you will find such of these examples, and you cannot find any of one example which will be alif, and and you will pronounce it with Arabic. Okay, if you pronounce and if you give the harakat zamma fatha kasra etc, so it will be, I think, that it will be become the hamza, not be the alif. So let's come to the types of misal. Okay, types of misal. Misal is of two types. Okay, if we write here like this, so it will more easy. Okay, so of two types. One is misal wawi, very easy, so easy, inshallah every beginner can learn it. And one is misal yai. Okay, misal wawi, misal yai. So easy, yeah. So first type and this is the second type. Okay, so it is very easy. Like the example of misal wawi is wa'ada. Another example I gave here, wa'ada. And the example of misal yai is yasara, yasara. Where is the difficulty? Everyone can understand it. Okay, so language learning is upon you. If you are interested of any language, so inshallah you will achieve your goal. So make a goal that you will listen these all lectures, or if Allah gave you the efficiency of learning, or if you have time, so contact us, inshallah we will provide you our best teachers, and we will provide our best courses. You can also search and you can also contact us as a Muslim. We all are brothers. Alhamdulillah, we have all free and paid courses. You can contact us via this link or our official WhatsApp. So it's enough for today. Inshallah, we'll meet in another video, and we will carry on our this structure of Haft Aqsam, and the third one will be. So what will be the third one? So comment to us, inshallah. We will make a video of another thing also. If you are interested in another things like hadith sciences, fiqh sciences, so you can also comment to us, inshallah. We will also make videos upon those subject, inshallah. So jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.